Hi guys, welcome to Teacher Scene. So today we'll discuss about Madhava Kripa English Nursery and Higher Primary School looking for various teachers position in their school. So let's go to their website and we'll see the details. So this is the official website of Madhava Kripa School. So you can see here this details here, but you can't get this notification here. You will get this notification in their group institution website. So this is the Manipal Group Institutions website. So we'll see here, you can see one option is their career. So we'll click it here, then we'll click here explore. Then we'll come a little bit down. You can see here current vacancies, faculty positions. So we'll click here. Now you can see here a lot of vacancies are there, but that first vacancy, Madhava Kripa English Nursery and Higher Primary School Manipal, teaching positions, details, you have to click here. So we'll click here. So I'll increase little bit size. No. So you can see here recruitment. Madhava Kripa English Nursery and Higher Primary School Manipal invites application from eligible candidates for teacher positions possessing the following qualifications. So you can see here minimum qualifications and positions: BA BEd with English, Social Science, then Math, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Kannada, Physical Education, Yoga, PT, Music, then Nursery, Dance and Music. So these are the positions with qualification they have mentioned: BA BEd, BSc BEd, BA BEd, and position they have mentioned PGT, TGT, CCE, NTT. Now if you go down, you can see here experience, 2 years of teaching experience desirable they have mentioned. Applicants may send the resume along with copies of relevant certificates in support of the qualification and experience on or before May 25, 2021. So you have to send your updated resume with all supporting documents like your experience and qualification, whatever, before or on 25th May 2021 to this mail ID. If you have any query, you want to know anything, or you want to know any kind of information, then you can also give a call to them also. So this is the proper address, and the last date is 25th May 2021. So try to send it as soon as possible. So I will also give you this link in my description. You can also direct access from there. So these are the details, and try to send your application as soon as possible. So before leaving, I want to say our Teachers in channel is fully dedicated to teachers. Those who are looking for teachers related any studies, teachers related any competitive exam, teachers related any jobs, so they can subscribe our channel. In future, if there will be any update, so you can get it from here. Apart from this, you can also follow our social media sites like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, so that any notification will come immediately, you will get that notification. So thank you, all the best.